Good morning, guys. So today we're going to continue on using stippling, again, which means creating value uh, by using little dots. Okay, so the more dots you have condensed into one area is obviously going to look a lot darker in terms of value. So last time we created a value chart or a value scale where we gradually had each square have more and more dots so that we can gradually see a noticeable difference in value in each one of those. Okay, so you guys did a pretty good job with that. Again, there should be a noticeable difference, but not too large of a jump between each one of those. Again, it is something that's going to take some patience, but when you get finished, it's pretty satisfying seeing how all those little dots pay off by making that value darker. Okay, so that was last time. This time, we're going to do something similar, but that's a little bit different because a lot of times when you're drawing an image of something, you don't want to have separate values, but you want your values to very gradually transition or fade into one another. Okay, so what I did underneath that was I drew another rectangle about the same length, but I did make it thinner to make this part go a little bit quicker than the last one. Okay, so again, you could use a ruler if you have one, piece of cardboard, any kind of straight edge. I just used this coupon book that came in the mail to draw my lines. Okay, once I had my rectangle drawn in, I just used my lightest value up here. I used that many dots to fill in the entire rectangle, so we have our lightest value filled in the entire area. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start down here at the right side, which again is going to be our darkest valued area. Okay, so I'm going to try to match this value that I see here, again, just by placing dots. So again, be patient, take your time, and I'm going to start to place those in. Now, as I'm working my way to the left, I want you to take a look at the value chart up here and try to match what we see. But again, we want to have a smooth transition. So we don't want to have any areas where it's a noticeable change really abruptly like that. We want them just to kind of fade or melt into each value. So again, we're going to start here at the back side where it should be a little bit darker or quite a bit darker. And then I'm going to gradually fade it. Okay. Now again, this is something that's going to take some time. You got to have a little bit of patience. And no, I'm not going to make you watch a video of me do every single dot on here. Okay. But I just want you guys to notice how I'm going to gradually have this get lighter and lighter, which obviously means fewer and fewer dots. Okay. So starting here, gradually working out. When you get finished, go ahead and take a photograph and attach it to this assignment and turn that in. Right? I'm going to also post a photograph once I get mine finished so you guys have something to look at, so you have a reference. All right, have fun, and I will talk to you guys next time.